Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a game changer for anyone looking to do laundry off the grid. Meet the Lehman's manual clothes washer Plunger, arguably the best manual laundry washer on the market. Let's start with what makes this washer so special.
It's designed for efficiency and portability, perfect for campers, RV users, or anyone looking to save on electricity. The unique breathing action of this washer pushes and pulls soap and water through your clothes, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Compared to other manual washers, the Lehman stands out for its sturdy build and efficient washing action. It's designed to last and performs exceptionally well, even with repeated use.
To wrap things up, if you're in the market for a reliable, portable washer that doesn't rely on electricity, the Lehman's manual clothes washer Plunger is an excellent choice. Its unique design and efficiency make it a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their laundry routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this washer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.